Get ready to light up the night with a helmet like no other. In this video, we'll show you how to create a dazzling LED helmet using WLED, an ESP8266 microcontroller, and WS2811 LED strips. Step into the future with our high-tech helmet upgrade that combines safety and style. It's time to stand out in the crowd. At the heart of this project is the ESP8266 microcontroller, a powerful and versatile device that's ready to make your helmet shine. And the magic happens with the WLED software, your gateway to a world of lighting possibilities. Choose from a variety of mesmerizing effects, customize colors, and even synchronize your helmet lights to your favorite music. Our secret weapon, the WS2811 LED strips, offering individually addressable LEDs, they allow you to create intricate patterns, animations, and lighting effects that will leave everyone in awe. With the WLED app on your smartphone, you have full control on the go. Change lighting effects, adjust brightness, and personalize your helmet's appearance to match your style.
Excited to see how it's done? Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we reveal the step-by-step installation process in our upcoming video. Stay tuned for an epic transformation of your helmet.